Worry about another EMI for a home loan is not letting you bite? Put aside all your worries now. South India's largest real estate developer, Urban Rise, brings you a no-worry, no pre-EMI offer for 3 years. Yes, you heard it right. You can book an apartment at the World of Joy at just 10% of the total cost, and you need not worry about any EMI for your home for 3 years. With this no pre-EMI offer, you can save up to 14.8 lakhs on the interest that you have to pay for your home loan, due to which you live a stress-free life. Let us just go through the benefits of the no pre-EMI offer. You are already paying a rent for your current home, paying school fees for your child, covering other expenditures, and you do not want to add a burden of an EMI to get your dream home. With this offer, you do not have any pre-EMI for 3 years, as a result of which you save up to 14.8 lakh rupees. Let us take an example. If you book an apartment at XYZ developer, which doesn't have a pre-EMI offer, you have to pay interest right from the day of booking till handover. If you book an apartment at the World of Joy with no pre-EMI offer, you have to pay EMI only after 3 years from the booking of the home. This means you benefit up to 14.8 lakh rupees by buying your dream home at the World of Joy. Because of these savings with no pre-EMI offer from Urban Rise, your total savings translate to 806 rupees per square feet. With no pre-EMI offer at the World of Joy, you get huge savings. That too with 203 plus amenities compared to other projects which have much lesser amenities. What are you waiting for? Book your dream home at the World of Joy now.